Today we're going to be working on finding unit rate and the equation from tables. To set you up for success, I wanted to practice labeling x and y in the tables to get you ready for our work. First, we're going to look at the vertical table. Take a look at this line. It goes up and down. That's a vertical line. So this is a vertical table. In a vertical table, the x values are the values that are on the left side, so in the left column. And the y values are the values on the right side, in the right column. When you look at a horizontal table, I want you to pay attention to this middle line. And this middle line goes from the left to the right, just like the horizon, where the sky meets the ground. In a horizontal table, the values in the top row are the x values, and the values in the bottom row are the y values. Now, this can be confusing for students because the unit rate formula is exactly opposite of that. Look up here in the horizontal table. X is at the top, but in the formula, the x is in the denominator. In the horizontal table, the y is at the bottom, but in the unit rate formula, the y is at the top in the numerator. So you have to pay careful attention, especially when you're working with a horizontal table, because the unit rate formula is perfectly opposite of where the values are in the table. All right, let's look at two more examples. In a horizontal table, you might just see the label. So it might just say, time in seconds, the unit seconds, distance in meters, meters would be the units, and then have a bunch of numbers. This is what you will typically see on the EOG, and you're going to have to know to label this top part as x and this bottom part as y. In fact, what I'd love for you to do is for you to just go ahead and label every single part of this with x and with y, so that if you look at an individual point, you know right away that, okay, 12 is x, 120 is y. You don't even have to look back over here. Now, just to remind you, the unit rate formula is opposite of this. So this is x and then y, and then the unit rate formula is y and then x. In a vertical table, x is on the left side, so all of these are x values, and the y goes on the right. So the words are y, 0, 100, 150, and 200 are all y values.